Hi, great people of God, welcome back to the channel. This video, try to watch it to the end. Strange things are happening, strange things are happening on a daily. Sometimes when we hear Evangelist Ebuka Obi prophesy such certain things, we think maybe it doesn't exist. People have some kind of weird and strange experiences. So this man you're seeing in this video, I can't believe what happened to him. It is unbelievable. Like, he lost his manhood mysteriously. Things are happening. I'm not going to spill everything. I will allow you to watch this video and hear for yourself, because it's as if, when I watch this video, I'll be like, can this be possible? But this is the man saying it by himself. Just watch the video and hear for yourself.
There is a man here. Don't be ashamed to come out. Somebody tap you. Somebody tap you on the shoulder in the market. Your private part disappear. It's like a woman own. Please come. Don't be ashamed. Are you in the first overflow? Come, please. Come. Tell God to restore his manhood. When I prophesy, you think I'm just prophesying. Anybody that have taken your own spiritually, let it come back today. When did you have this experience?
3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Yes, sir.
Where?
At the market.
Market. Somebody has taken your manhood for money. Drop your head here. I command it to restore. Amen. And I command that person's own to disappear. That amen suffers from Kwashoko. Ibara boy.
Yes, sir.
Relationship between Oyangini and Ibara boy. Imano called you. I don't want to talk. What I'm saying is that the person that have done this, now watch what will happen this night. You have come to the highest altar. Odogwu ya dowa boxer. Are you married? Watch what will happen this night. Here have your testimony. And the favor. Hey, give me 300,000 to give him. Make it 400,000. Ibara boy, you serve.
Yes, sir.
Edu in a boss.
Yes, sir.
What a 400,000. Make it 500,000. You are doing us here.
Yes, sir.
Where? Which market? In our here. Put this 500 in your business. Now, Odogwu is back. Don't sleep with a chawo. Go and marry. When it's time, you will become a millionaire. The matter is settled.